Hello everybody, I'm Takesh. Welcome back to Red Elevator. Thank you for all your support. And today I'm really excited, you guys, because I'm going to share with you, which I have never shared with anyone. People who know me know that I keep secrets tight. But this one I'm going to reveal to you guys. The best kitchen cleaning hacks of all time. Trust me. When I designed this kitchen, I really didn't think about the fact that there would be so much stainless steel. It was more important for me to have a really wide refrigerator and freezer. So we've got two 36 inches and we've got a 60-inch range. So we've got some stainless steel in here. And I have to tell you that I've tried at least 10 different stainless steel cleaners. And the only one, and I mean the only one that has worked is First Street. Now, I know this sounds like a commercial. It is not. These people, I don't even know if they know how great their product is. It is magic. I will have some of these products that are going to show up on your screen linked below. So how did my love story with First Street begin? Well, it really began when I was complaining to my mom that no matter what product I used, WD-40, I've heard all the hacks, people, your olive oil, all of that. I said to her, I can't get them spotless, Mom. There's no hope, there's no use. She goes, well, mine are spotless. And I said, well, I doubt that, because I just imagined that she had to be hallucinating because there really isn't a product that works. And she decided to send this to me by mail. And I have been in love ever since. It's the only product I use. And so what's great about it is that you want to use a very soft, one of these chenille cloths, which you can find, and I will also link all of these products that I'm using down in my feed. But essentially, you just use a small amount and you use it on your stainless steel appliances. Now, yes, you're supposed to go along the grain, which is always a great idea, which I do. And then what I do, which is another important hack of mine with regard to stainless steel, is once it's nice, I mean, can you guys see this? I mean, seriously, I don't know if you can see this, but just doing that in this middle area, I purposely left my refrigerators dirty so that you guys can see the difference. I am literally just doing the middle portion so you guys can see. It is like magic, and I go in circular motions because I don't want to see a streak. So at first I'll go straight, and then I'll go in circular motion. Now, if you don't have 5 hours and you want to do this quickly, which most of us are very, very busy, that's when I get out the power tools. And yes, I do. I say, Devin, can you polish this refrigerator? And he's really nice and he obliges and he polishes it for me. Or, I'm sure you can do it yourself too. But what I love is the fact that then this speeds up the whole process. You literally polish the refrigerator up and down within 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and we're done. Another really great hack is this wonderful degreaser by Stanley. I don't like to use a lot of products that have chemicals in them, and this is just a pure degreaser. It's industrial strength. I find that the stove, believe it or not, splashes grease literally up to 5 to 10 to 12 feet. People don't realize that. And so degreasing your kitchen is really important. So I use this wonderful microfiber cloth. This absorbs water and it's soft and smooth. You don't want to scratch your surfaces at all when you're in your kitchen, because over time, yes, they might look great the first day you use a scratching material, but by the 100th time, things are going to look old. So you want to use these really soft microfiber cloths that I always buy on Amazon. I'm going to have them linked also below, and this degreaser. So I just use a little bit of degreaser, some water, and when you have a hood, whether it's this particular hood, which is made of like a mirror type material, or if it's a stainless hood or any kind of hood, with the exception of wood, I use my degreaser. We fully remove the grease so that we're rid of the grease, and then you will see it's literally like brown from the grease. And then I take my favorite product, I take the big old master tool here, and I polish it off. That way it's really shiny and it's scratch free, and this is also a very soft sort of a chenille terry cover, and then it looks magic. Another great product that I also use prior to buffing it out are these wonderful e-cloths. And I use these e-cloths all over my kitchen. I'm gonna have them also for you down below. But these e-cloths do not require products. You don't have to buy a bunch of products in order to keep your kitchen clean. What you do is you just use water. So these e-cloths they're pretty famous. I mean, I know a lot of people who love these. And so what you do is you just add a little bit of water to your e-cloth, and then you can just basically clean any surface. These e-cloths have different cleaning techniques per cloth, and this is a general purpose one. So this really does a wonderful job in getting your surfaces super duper clean. Another one of my must-have items in this kitchen when cleaning your pots and pans is the barkeeper's friend. This guy is your best friend. And it comes in powder form, it comes in cream form. I use powder for the stove, which I mix with the degreaser to get rid of stains, and I use just the soft gel format, cream format for my pots and pans. And I don't use it with just anything, I use it with my favorite e-cloth sponge. These sponges are so delicious, and they're reusable, they last longer than sponges, they don't have that crazy odor that happens. And basically what I do is I put on some of this beautiful Barkeeper's product, cream, and I just literally softly clean, my pots and pans after they've been used, of course, and you're just going to see how wonderful these clean. Like, I don't have anything super dirty right now, but everything is clean. But you just can see from just the tiniest bit of product how clean this has gotten. One of my absolute favorite products, and something you need to realize, is that you do not need a lot of products to clean your house. Everything that you see in this video is all you need for an entire home. This is Charlie. Charlie is amazing. Charlie is eco-friendly. Charlie works like a charm. It says that you can use it anywhere from false teeth to engines. I mean, this thing is the bomb. It doesn't ruin surfaces. It doesn't permeate surfaces. It just cleans surfaces. It does it safely. We use it all over this house. We use it on toilets. We use it everywhere. Something we use for marble that I wanted to share with you guys, because there's so much of it here and a lot of you have marble on your countertops and in your bathrooms, is simply vinegar. Vinegar is the second product we use in this house. We use a lot of Charlie and we use a lot of vinegar. And so what we do with the vinegar is, I grab usually an old bottle of Charlie, we write vinegar on it, and we pour about a third vinegar and the rest water, mix it up, and we literally spray it on these wonderful microfiber cloths. And that is how we clean marble, because of the fact that you do not want to etch your marble, you don't want anything to happen to your marble, and just a tiniest bit of water and vinegar is actually one of the easiest, safest, and eco-friendly ways of cleaning your marble. So many of us have these beautiful silver heirloom pieces that we've received from our grandparents, or maybe we've collected them over the years, but everybody has some silver in their kitchen, and I am sure they are practically all tarnished. Mine are always very nicely polished, because I've got another hack that I use for silverware that I wanted to share with you guys, and that is you can use any polish cleaner. They're all really actually pretty good. I don't find one to be better than the other, but the one thing that I find is critical is to have a horsehair brush. These horsehair brushes make all the difference in polishing your silver. It's just not enough to polish your silver with a sponge. You really need this horsehair. It gets in the crevices, it gets in the edges, and it does a remarkable job. And this is going to be another one of your friends. So you apply a little bit of your polish. I like to wet the brush just a little bit, and then I like to move in circular motions. And this is really the trick, because you don't have to spend a lot of energy in doing so. This horsehair is the exact right abrasion without it actually scratching your silver, and it does the trick. As you can see, that's basically all you need to do. I picked a piece that hadn't been polished, obviously, and I'm going to show you guys how this turned out. Look at the difference between pre-polish, post-polish, and I'm telling you, it's the brush. It really is the brush. Thank you everyone for joining me on this episode of Red Elevator. It was great sharing with you all of my kitchen hacks. I would love to hear what your hacks are in comments below. And again, thanks again for joining me, and make sure and like and subscribe to my videos.